My name is Shehbaz. I am from Andhra Pradesh, specialized in electronics department, graduated in the year 2021 from the Jibulaya College of Engineering and Technology. I am currently working in a product company in TechMojo Solutions Private Limited as a MUN developer. I found an advertisement of 10x Academy in Instagram. Then I researched on it. I thought it would be the best of joining the 10x Academy. It was that we will become a full stack developer in 24 weeks. The curriculum was very neat. Data structures and algorithms in Python was there, and HTML and CSS and JavaScript was there. So I thought to join the 10x Academy. It was a play after placement. Then this impressed me more effective. It was more effective on me. It influenced me a lot. So I thought I will join the 10x Academy. There was a pre-bootcamp session before the 10x Academy for 3 days. So after completion of this pre-bootcamp, I got selected in the pre-bootcamp, and the mentors and who are in authority, the operations team, they told us what will be the curriculum for 6 months. For 3 months there will be a data structures and algorithms in Python, and parallelly they will teach us full stack developer. And what were the conditions that of ISA that how is the attendance that we need to keep. First 2 weeks I faced many issues as I had a zero coding knowledge. Then the mentors were very supportive, especially group discussions were very helpful. They helped me in getting improve day by day. We need to share the screen there, and we need to do the problems, and other students will help us in guiding wherever we are stuck. One-on-one sessions were really amazing. Once in 10 days or once in 8 days we were having one-on-one sessions, and there the mentors used to see where we are lagging. They used to help us in improving our productivity, and then they used to advise us that they need to tell their stories, how they have overcome and how we need to overcome from failures and wherever we are stuck in. I think group discussions is the best part of the bootcamp. I have really felt it was really helpful. Daily group discussions were there, and we have asked many questions. We have clarified many questions, many answers with the mentors, and I think group discussions was a very helpful part of the bootcamp. So after completion of our project, their mock interviews have been started. In mock interviews, it was very helpful. It was like real interviews which were happening, and after completion of mock interview, they used to give us feedbacks that at what point that we need to improve. After mock interviews, the placement teams were really very supportive, and they used to give us a guidance regarding the company, and they used to tell us how the company is, how we can get the job, we can crack it. Overall experience, I think it was one of the best decisions that I have ever made in my life for joining 10x Academy. In these 6 months, I have become a complete full stack developer, which I haven't even thought that I can become the full stack developer in 6 months.